Hi, I'm Brian, Emily's dad. For years I battled a severe form of panic disorder called agoraphobia, which is a lot like PTSD. Emily and I have been through a lot of training, and together with her help, I've been able to have a somewhat normal life. But this is not about me, this is about Emily. She spent her life serving others, and now she needs help. Emily was recently stricken with bone cancer. She's had 2 major surgeries and now needs chemotherapy. All of the money raised will go to paying Emily's medical bills, care, and treatment. Please, please, please give what you can. Even the littlest bit will mean so much when added with everyone else's. And if you're not able to contribute financially, please help us get the word out. Email, text, Facebook, Twitter, however you can. Emily loves life. She's about the sweetest, most lovingest girl you could possibly imagine, and she has a lot of life left in her. Please help keep Emily alive. And now, here's a message from some of Emily's friends.
Hi, I'm Dr. Hazan. Emily is in remarkable shape, and she has the strength and vigor of a dog half her age. With proper treatment, she is an excellent candidate to have a happy, healthy life.
Please help keep Emily alive.
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 אנא, עזרו לאמילי להישאר בחיים.
Please help Emily alive. Bitte helft, Emily am Leben zu erhalten.
Please help keep Emily alive. Please help keep Emily alive.
Please help keep Emily alive.
Please help keep Emily alive.
Please help keep Emily alive.
Please help keep Emily alive.